Okay, so now it's time to start adding our input tags and selectors and everything. So let's start with the search for. We need to wrap it with a label for, and our field will have a name srch for search for. Okay, if we close the label tag after search for and colon, and then inside of the first td, which is our table cell, we're going to place an input of a type text. We're going to give it a name of srch4 and the same ID, srch4. Then we're going to assign a class to it as well, which will be fld, and a value. For now we'll leave it blank, and we can close the tag. So this is our first field. If we switch to design view, you can see our first input field has been added. Okay, now categories, similar thing. We first wrap it with the label for srch category, okay, and a closing label tag. Okay, we won't be placing anything here, as we will be generating the drop-down menu using a specifically created function for it. So for the time being, we just leave it with a non-breakable space. Okay, now we need to create the label for cover type with the name of srch cover, and close it. Now we also will be creating a function for this, so we don't place anything here. Then label for srch author. Okay, and close it. Again, same situation, function for displaying all these authors. So then we've got label for srch language, and a closing label, then year, label for srch year, closing, and available in. We don't really need any label here, as this will be multi-select. These will be multi-select checkboxes. Okay, so our forms seem to be ready now. In the next video, we'll have a look at how to actually create all these functions to display the relevant information populated from the database, and display them as drop-down menus, radio buttons, and checkboxes as for available in.